Okay, so today I'll be doing a ukulele tutorial for beginners part 2. So in this video I'll be doing basic strumming patterns for beginners, which I had actually promised that I would be doing it like long back, around a month back. So I had done a part 1 video as well, where I have tried explaining the basic chords and some basic introduction to this instrument. So if you guys haven't checked out that video, and if you're a complete beginner, so you don't know anything about this instrument, so it would be better that आप लोग वो वाला वीडियो चेक करें, वो वाला वीडियो पहले देखिए, उसके बाद ये वाला वीडियो देखिए. तो I'll be linking, like I'll be putting that link on the description below. तो आप पहले वो वाला वीडियो देख लीजिए. And for strumming patterns, and yeah, I'll be also doing like a video on how to sing and play together. So yeah, the first strumming pattern, which would be like the easiest strumming pattern for beginners, would be the down 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 pattern. So ये पैटर्न ऐसा है कि आप इसको हिंदी सॉन्ग्स में भी प्ले कर सकते हैं, इंग्लिश सॉन्ग में भी प्ले कर सकते हैं, एंड इट्स वेरी सिंपल एंड इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग और बहुत अच्छा बजता है. इफ यू लर्न अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ म्यूटिंग बीच में, तो वो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा बजेगा. So I'll be showing this pattern to you with a basic progression, like it would be the A minor, F, C.
So basically it is the 1-2-3 1-2-3 1-2 pattern, where all the strums are down strums, and the first strum is generally played with more concentration with my index finger, and the rest 2 and 3 are kind of muted and played with the rest of the 3 fingers. Okay, so I'm trying to play it a little slowly for a better illustration. So you can see there is a down up filler pattern which I'm using just before I change to my next chord. So I'm going to explain it in a detailed way later.
Hey guys, I hope that was easy. So the next pattern would be the down down up up pattern, and this is also extremely easy and extremely fun.
Okay, so this is the down down up up pattern, and you can add another down up strum if you want just before you move to the next chord. If you observe carefully, I have lifted my fingers a little when I move to the next chord from the strings. You can do it for a better effect in the ukulele.
Pattern is also very interesting and very fun to play, and you can use this pattern also in a lot of Hindi songs, English songs as well. So ये पैटर्न ऐसा है, आप गिटार में भी प्ले कर सकते हैं और गिटार में भी बहुत अच्छा साउंड करता है. Even the previous pattern which I was talking about, the down down up up pattern, वो भी बहुत beautiful लगता है गिटार में. So this pattern is the down up up down up pattern. So the down up is again in bracket. That is when you change chord from one chord to another, you use it as a like a connector kind of thing. So yeah, we'll start this.
Okay, so here I've tried to play this pattern a little slowly for a better understanding. So this is the down up up down down up pattern, and this works for a lot of songs, for a lot of Hindi songs as well. So you can play it, and it's quite simple, as you can see.
Guys, the fourth pattern is the down up down up down, up down up down, down up pattern, and this works very well in Hindi songs and English songs as well, and it kind of sounds very similar to the previous pattern. Also, it's just like a little bit of improvisation to it, so you can make a lot of improvisations. It's all up to you how you want to improvise your strumming patterns, but I'll be telling you in detail how I'm playing it. So yeah, we'll be using the same progression.
down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up pattern. And here also we are using the down, up as a filler pattern. That is actually for connecting between the two chords. And if you observe carefully, then with the down strum, I'm actually moving to the next chord. So if you're confused like with which strum we have to move to the next chord, then you know it's the down strum. Observe my wrist carefully how I'm strumming this pattern.
Also a very interesting pattern, and it's also very easy. So it is the down, down, up, down, 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 up. So yeah, I'll just check. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Yeah, I have actually written all the patterns so that I don't forget. Okay, so I'll show you how it's played.
Okay guys, so this is the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up pattern. And if you notice carefully, there was a small pause between the two downs. So that is the only thing you have to be careful about.
Some easy chuck patterns, and these are also very easy. So yeah, let's get started with the first chuck pattern, that is the down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So this is how I play it.
So are you guys confused about how to make the chuck sound? So you don't have to be worried anymore. Only there are a few points you should remember while trying to make the chuck sound. So you need to rest your palm on the strings when you're trying to chuck the corner of your palm. And you need to hit on the strings with either the index finger, or you can use the other three fingers as well. So you can hit it very softly. You don't need to be harsh on the strings. And while making sure that your palm is not moving, it's still resting on the strings only. So this comes with practice, so you don't need to worry if it's not happening right now. So it will come with practice. So don't worry about anything.
Which I'll be doing in this beginner strumming pattern video is the chuck up tap pattern. So yeah, this is the chuck up tap. So there's a pause as well. So if you notice, there's a little pause in the between. So there's the chuck up tap pattern. So tap means this, just a normal tap on the fretboard. So just a normal tap, you're tapping it on the strings. So I'll show you how it plays. I've actually used this strumming pattern for a video cover of mine. कैसी पहेली है ये जिंदगानी. If you haven't checked it out, you can see it. I've used the same pattern and it sounds beautiful. So कुछ गानों के लिए बहुत अच्छा sound करता है. So I'll show you how I play it.
So here you have to just be careful about the tap. The tap is not a chuck, it's just a normal tap on the strings. So both of them are entirely different.
Okay guys, so before I end this video, I thought I would include another favorite pattern of mine. So this pattern is like my favorite because मुझे honestly थोड़ा मुश्किल हुआ था ये पहले करने में, but धीरे धीरे practice से आ जाता है. So this is actually a very tricky pattern because थोड़ा सा भी आपका इधर उधर गलत हो गया तो immediately वो सुनने में आ जाएगा. तो ये pattern practice से आ जाएगा and you will master it well. So yeah, so this is the down up chuck up down pattern, and you might have used it in guitar and it sounds wonderful in guitar, but ukulele में भी बहुत अच्छा sound करता है. So yeah, let's see how it sounds.
Can be a little bit tricky if you are a beginner, but you can also do this with practice. Like first practice it slowly, then gradually increase the speed, and you can also add another up strum just to complete it, like it's again a filler. So the chuck is like the usual way how we used to do chuck before, so there's nothing different.
Up strum. So yeah, that's all for this video today. I hope I've kind of helped all the beginners out there watching me. थोड़ा तो भी help किया होगा मैंने आप लोगों को strumming patterns के लिए. So another video I'll be making of how to sing and play together. So I'll be making it soon. So do let me know in the comment section below if you like this video, and do comment and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, just to let me know what more can I do for you guys, और आपको क्या क्या समझना है और सीखना है. Okay, so I'm not a good teacher, I know that, but मैंने try किया मेरी तरफ से जितना हो सकता है आपको समझाने के लिए, और मुझे खुद भी ज़्यादा आता नहीं है, but जितना थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है I have tried to kind of tell you what I really wanted to. Since a very long time I wanted to make this. So yeah, that's it for this video today. We'll hope to see another ukulele video like within a month, I hope. So till then, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.